Hi Year 6 and welcome to Lesson 3 on The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Now today we're going to be doing a little bit of prediction but mostly focusing on trying to explain something. So what I'd like you to do for task 1 is can you please read through chapter 3 Edmund and the Wardrobe. If you have done already then fantastic. Okay, but I'd like everybody to read through chapter 3 please. If you can pause the video here and read through that chapter. So for task 2, I would like you to write a detailed paragraph for the following question. Now the question is, why do you think the wardrobe went back to normal? Now I'd like this to be quite a detailed paragraph, and if you can please try and make some links to evidence to support the point you've made. So if you say, I think that the wardrobe went back to normal because it can only be Narnia for so many minutes. Okay, well, what evidence do you have to support that idea? What makes you think that's the reason why the wardrobe went back to normal? I'd like you to try and explain your thinking in quite a bit of detail. You've only got the one question today, so make it a nice detailed answer. So I'm going to read through the part of the book where the wardrobe goes back to normal, and maybe you could have a little listen and see if there's any clues in there as to why the wardrobe went back to normal. The others did not know what to think, but Lucy was so excited that they all went back with her into the room. She rushed ahead of them, flung the door open of the wardrobe and cried, "Now, go in and see for yourself." "Why, you goose," said Susan, putting her head inside and pulling the fur coats apart. "It's just an ordinary wardrobe. Look, there's the back of it." Then everyone looked in and pulled the coats apart, and they saw. Lucy saw herself, a perfectly ordinary wardrobe. There was no wood and no snow, only the back of the wardrobe with hooks on it. Why do you think this happened? Why do you think the wardrobe went back to normal? Okay, I'd love for you to have a go at that task 2. Now for task 3, I'd like you to try and summarise the whole chapter in less than 50 words. This is something we did last week for Cogheart. We worked on summarising paragraphs and summarising chapters. So have a go at task 3 once you've finished task 2. I look forward to having a look at the work that you've done Year 6, so please enjoy.